It might be
All right, you done. Camera is up
I got
and
it.
running. Oh my God, I got
I
it.
got it. That's the end of my career just then.
So we don't want to hear Ricky. We don't want to hear the fish don't like me.
We get the camera set up. I'm gonna go ahead and catch one.
The fish stay.
I'm just playing right now.
The fish like this. The fish ate my bait. The fish ran away. The fish. Yeah, we don't want to hear that, Ricky. We want to hear. We want to see some success. Ricky. We want to hear no. The fish are up to no good. What do you mean the fish are up to no good? The fish is doing what the fish do.
Yes, sir. That's what you gonna do.
We don't hear.
I want to see what you gonna do. You tell me when you ready.
We don't want to hear the fish are up to no good.
You tell me when you ready.
Fish doing what fish can do.
Yeah, there's a big one right down there. Damn.
Where?
They broke right over there. That little thing.
We don't want to hear the fish are up to no good. The fish been doing what the fish been doing. You hear that, Ricky? We don't want to hear the fish are up to no good. The fish don't like me.
Right. Oh, so you got two cameras up today, huh? Yeah, I'm saying this is gonna be a show today. Well, I can't wait to Alice get here. So I can't wait till he get here. This is gonna be a show for real. Yes, sir.
So we don't want to hear that. Oh, the fish ate. The fish.
Yes, sir.
You hear that, Ricky?
We ready now. Time to fish now, buddy. Time to fish now.
So like I said, we don't want to hear the fish don't like me. The fish ate my bait.
Look at that. This was called fishing now. I'm trying to fish now.
The fish ate my bait.
Yeah, I'm about to throw mine out there now because you ready now, fish. In the way the water look now, you probably you'll get a fish in a few minutes with that there. Time to fish, come on now. Time to fish now. And these boys driving around, time to fish now. Come on. Hey, today is the day, y'all. No more playing around. I've been playing a lot. No more playing around now. Put this down.
You ain't gonna say the fish don't like me, Ricky?
Time to go fishing, y'all. All right. All right, here we go. I'm fishing with a Senko here. Drop shot. Velcro reel. Hey, it's on. I am the champ, y'all.
You're not gonna say the fish don't like me, Ricky?
Nah, I'm not gonna say that.
I just wanna hear excuses, Ricky. I wanna hear some excuses, Ricky.
I'm not gonna say that.
Oh, let me fix the line, the one Ricky done put juju on it. to make me look bad. But you know he can't make a man look bad because a man looks good no matter what.
Mm-hmm. You're right about that. It's my job to make you look bad. My job is to make you look good.
Because African brother done brought it. He can't throw the damn thing anyway no matter what.
That's right.
But he still done brought it. He can't throw it. But he done brought it.
That's the first thing you gotta learn how to do it, though.
Oh my goodness, African brother can't throw, but he done brought it.
I don't know what's going on. And that's why you can't throw it. You ain't open it up. Open it up.
Oh,
Yeah, not throw it.
man, I can't figure out which side. Oh my goodness, that's how a man's supposed to throw?
What you got going on?
If you done put juju on this thing, wait till I get my Shimano. You were lucky.
Mm-hmm. I got to change this right here. I don't want the frog right here. I got one frog. All I need is that gray one.
Give me 1 minute. The camera done falling off. Oh God, this camera. It ain't gonna work out the way I wanted it to work out.
Take time to change this here. Oh shit. Damn it. Instead of looking at you, I gotta stop looking at you. I need to see.
What are you looking at me for? You're supposed to be looking at the water. Ricky, quit coming up with this piece.
Damn it, boy.
Looking at me. Don't be stealing my African tricks. You can't handle no African tricks, Ricky. You can't. You might. You can watch all you want. You can emulate.
That's right.
This MVP trick.
You're right.
You can't handle no African tricks.
See what I can handle in just a minute now if I get the pencil with you. You gotta get I gotta change things down. Get my stuff is right.
You can't handle no African tricks. I'm throwing that thing like a rookie.
Sure is. Get this right now. Let it snap in the water. Change up. Change up now, buddy. I didn't want to do this, but I don't have no other choice.
You say you want to prepare yourself for Alex. You can't beat me.
Let's see.
Beat me first and then prepare yourself for Alex. That's how it's supposed to be.
And like I said, you ain't no problem to beat.
Mr. Rick, I've been giving you a run for your money. I've been giving you a run for your money.
Yeah, you're right. I've been letting you give me a run for my money. Like I said, I hadn't been fishing. But now it's time for me to fish. That's what I'm setting this up for. I don't have no excuse, no nothing, you know what I'm saying?
I've been giving you a run for your money, Rick. You've been having problems just dealing with you. Having problems.
Yes, sir, I heard you.
You're having problems, Rick.
I hear you, buddy. I hear you.
Supposed to have that many problems dealing with that.
I hear you.
You have been bringing it, I've been fucking you problems.
Yeah, yeah. It's nice. Go ahead and fish. I fish now. I didn't want to do this. I ain't got no other choice. I didn't want to do this, but I ain't got no other choice. I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna just do it. So let that up. Now to fish. I'm ready to fish now. Take this out of the water.
Stop calling me problem child, because I've been giving you the problem.
I hear you.
That kind of throw ain't gonna work.
No.
That is not gonna work.
No, they ain't gonna never work. You got the wrong throw.
That's how I know it's supposed to go.
Close the cap all the way back.
Oh, no, no, this one.
There you go. Give it work. I didn't want to do this.
Ricky, they call me problems. I've been giving you problems, Ricky. You might need a diagnosis. I think you leak on over there.
Yes, sir.
They might have to plug a scanner in you
Yes, sir.
to diagnose what's going on.
Yes,
You
sir.
ain't got nothing in a while.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're sure right. That's because I've been playing, but now I ain't playing no more. I ain't playing no more. I ain't playing no more.
I can throw you off your game, Ricky.
Yes, sir. You watch this right here. Watch this right here. You about to hit me in a minute. Yeah. Getting ready now. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that.
I say, you're a champ when it comes to throwing. But I ain't a champ when it comes to taking.
Watch, you gonna see. see. Let me see. What's this right here? I brought my lily pad.
What's going on?
Oh, you got ants biting.
Don't give me over here, my tummy. I must have to pull it out. What the hell's going on? Come on, man.
They don't even go to half.
What's coming?
Trying to show you.
Let me see it out. Let me get my Academy Sports in there. Oh, Mr. Ricky, you might as well just fuck it up and call it a
sir.
day.
Yes, sir. Watch this right here.
Once I get Academy Sports up in there, it's gonna be
I'm
over.
getting a 10 pound today.
Huh?
I'm getting a 10 pound today. Watch. You see.
That must have been a good dream you had last night.
You see. We'll see, buddy. Give me 10 pound today.
Last time you had it, that was like 20 years ago.
Whatever you say.
That's the reach of 20 years ago, and reach of 9.
Whatever you say.
You like you cut the sleep out.
Whatever you say.
Ricky done lost his mojo.
Come up in there.
You want to borrow Academy Sports?
No. No, sure. We got it right here. So. Yeah, I just don't believe it.
Don't believe what? Who caught what last time with that?
Yeah, I just don't even believe it.
Ain't nothing to believe, Ricky.
Yeah, right now, looking at that right there,
Yeah.
that's a waste.
What is it? Net BLT.
I want to get it McDonald's.
Yeah, let's look to the cameras.
What's this right here? Yeah, what's this?
Academy Sports.
Yes, sir.
Real deal.
Yes, sir.
Supposedly.
Yep.
Can you type the hook on it?
Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm telling you. You wouldn't play with something like that. You got the wrong side hook for it.
No, it's too big for me.
That's right. That's right. Wrong side hook. But of course, you're a professional fisherman.
I didn't say I was a pro, but I'm good. I'm getting there.
When you hang with me, I'm going to teach you.
I might have to get a bigger hook. A smaller hook. I'm going to hook. Lord have mercy. Too big for that. Too big for this. Too big for this.
Yeah, you don't need any smaller hook. You know, you just need you put something else up there beside that you got right there. I'm telling you, you don't listen. Of course, because you think you know it. If Adam will see you with that right there, and see you got that big hook up there, he will laugh at you.
But he called me lucky. I got lucky with it last time.
That was luck.
Yeah, what's your luck here?
I ain't worried about that. I got it.
Come on, let's go hide that baby. Oh God, he's thinking about that for me. Ice baby. Ice baby. I remember that one came out.
Me too.
Huh?
Yeah, I remember too.
But yeah, very nice. And now he does he's been fixing houses and shit. He does renovation. The man still got his money though. But he likes to waste his money. That's a lot of people. Oh my God, how am I supposed to get any fish like that?
Well, of course, yeah. You feel like you can anyway. You can't get no fish like that when you can't do it in the water, man.
Academy Sports. Here I go. Ricky. Oh,
You don't got no idea, man. You
I
don't,
feel sorry for you, Ricky.
you don't know, you don't know about these tricks.
I
Don't
got feel Ricky. Oh, Ricky, man. You're suffering, aren't you, Ricky?
You don't know about these tricks, see. That's why you asked me why, all right, because you heard me beating on the road, trying to figure out what's going on.
Things ain't going well for you, I think, Ricky.
It's all right. Everything going well for me. God dang it. Ooh, she's going. Just come back and get it.
There's a blue heron.
Just come back and get it. Put my cup on that cooler there. Yeah. That bird there out fishing you.
Yeah, the heron is out there. Catching more fish, you're going to catch more fish than me.
Get more fish than me. Nowhere in the world. Today. There's a few more.
Let's see what Ricky's tricks are. Oh, poor Ricky. All these tricks done failed him. Poor Ricky, I feel sorry for you, Ricky. All your tricks done failed you today.
I mean, you could have left the camera there, I guess.
No, I'm just moving around.
Oh, okay.
Gotta get different perspectives, Ricky.
I got you. That's the first one for today.
It's a baby though.
Yeah. 12 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all you need. Yeah. That's the first one for today, boy. Hey, that's the first one.
Okay, hold it up.
Yes, sir. That's the first one.
Ooh.
I want to let you know that's the first one. Yeah. That's the first one for today. Yeah, I ain't playing no game today. No game today. Like I said, that's the first one. I'm go with that second one out there. I know he hit me a while ago and he was trying to, play a little tag with me, but I didn't want to say anything. I just kept it quiet.
Oh, Ricky, what happened, Ricky?
Yeah. Here go the next one right here. Here you go. Watch this here. Watch this.
What happened, Ricky? What happened?
God damn it. God damn it. Damn it. I missed him again. Yes, sir. Go back and get it. Go back and get it. I dare you. Oh, my God. Well, get your ass today. I'm telling you. Hey, I'm telling you.
What happened to Academy Sports?
Yes, sir.
Academy Sports ain't no good. Academy Sports ain't no good. Academy Sports ain't no good.
I ain't bullshit. I'm gonna do it like I fish for the bill. Cause that's how I do it when I fish for the bill. I don't rush it. Just take my time. Just do the thing. I can get it. I mean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anybody know me? Know, what I'm doing right now. They already know the game I'm playing. I ain't gonna tell him. I'm just do the damn thing. First of all, let me get my hook together. Don't need to get hung up on anything.
Academy Sports no good.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Hey guys, y'all know what I'm doing. That's all that matters. Y'all know exactly what I'm doing. I ain't don't say anything. Y'all just watch. There's another one right out here right now waiting. Another cracker hit me while I was up. Okay. I don't know what you got going on. First of all, you got to wind it in and get some of the other you got there.
Oh, God.
So you be a fish one, man. I tell you, you looking mighty bad on the camera.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Stay
Oh,
there, bro.
God. What's going on here?
Tell you.
Oh, I done use all my... Ricky done put juju on my
You
line.
looking mighty bad on the camera, y'all.
Ricky, you done messed me up. You done put juju on my line. The hell you made? Ricky, what do you do? What do you do?
You looking mighty bad on the camera.
You're looking mighty bad. And you can put juju on my stuff, Ricky. Let me get another lure. This is unbelievable. This is unacceptable. Can't lose to Ricky,
Oh, now
man.
you blaming on the lure.
I can't lose to Ricky, man. I can't. Man,
You blaming on the lure now, y'all.
I can't lose to Ricky, man. I'm like, man, you're like Joe Biden.
You blaming on the lure. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man,
Watch this right here. Watch this.
Ricky, you're confused. You can't. I can't lose. I can't lose to you.
Watch this in just a minute.
I'm supposed to be like Trump. I'm supposed to be energetic.
Watch this in just a minute.
Supposed to have high energy.
I'm coming out with 5 in just a second.
Ah, shit, nada. Supposed to be high energy, man. High energy Trump. What's happening? What's going on here? I'm supposed to be high energy. I can't lose to Ricky.
You right.
I'm supposed to be high energy.
No, really lose.
I'm supposed to be high energy. High energy. You're supposed to be Joe Biden. I'm supposed to be Trump.
All right.
Let me see what's going on here. We're gonna get some streaks now. We're gonna do some tricks now. Supposed to be high energy. I can't be low energy. I'm supposed to be Donald Trump.
Yes, sir. Hope you got that, Cam. Hope you got that. I'm about to bring you another one out. This uncut. It's uncut, baby. Uncut.
Supposed to be high energy. I ain't supposed to be losing like that.
It's uncut. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. You just hit it while I felt it. Go ahead, take it. See what you're doing. See what you're doing. Right. You're gonna keep on that log over there. You smart for that. You smart for that. That's what you're doing. You're trying to trick me. Get me up under there. So when you hit me, you want to keep on running, try to hang me. You know, I'm a fisherman. I know about this whole place here because I've been fishing here for I don't know how many years.
Oh, let's go high energy. Let me put some energy back in there. Oh my goodness, let's go high energy. What's going on here? Can't be losing. Can't be losing to Ricky.
So,
Oh my goodness me, what happened to high energy? Oh my God. Oh, what happened to high?
Alex gonna laugh at you. He said, you want to beat somebody, you can't even fish. You know, you're not even put your hook up there.
What happened to high energy? I'm supposed to be high energy and I...
Son.
I'm supposed to be high energy. What's going on? Let's go high energy. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah. quit playing games, you know. Try to be nice to you. Oh, I get a lot of lip.
You deserve a lot of lip.
That's all I get is lip.
You deserve a lot of lip, Ricky. The kind of performance you've been showing has been embarrassing. Kind of embarrassing.
Oh, no. God, dang in the morning. I had to cut this line right back down. God, dang it. No one is doing what it's doing. I got to get it out there. I got to fix it. You better do what you're doing. You might have time to get one. Might have time to get one. Let's cut the line and we do this again. Tell you gotta hope that. One of my raw been acting up. I'm trying to figure out what the hell was going on with my ugly stick. Now I see. Yeah, see, this is what I brought today because of the fact that I have to have an ugly stick out here when Alice come. Alice ain't coming without the ugly stick. Let's see if it's some competition.
Poor Alex might, the way you've been fishing, Alex might destroy you. It's going to be, it's going to be embarrassing. You've been losing to me all this time, or you've been losing to a rookie.
No, I ain't been losing to you. You ain't beat me one time.
Yeah, beat you twice.
How many times I beat you?
Just, only one time.
This is twice right now.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it ain't finished yet.
Oh, it ain't finished.
Can't be counting your victories before the finish line.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Yeah.
You already beat. You knew it.
Yeah, but we ain't finished yet. The race is still going on.
You know what my girl told me? To take it easy on him.
No.
He's just a beginner.
No,
He's
no,
learning.
No.
She said, baby, be sweet to him.
She didn't tell you that.
Just be sweet to him.
No.
You know how the beginners are. He got the beginner look.
No. She didn't tell you that. She said it the first day, but not anymore.
Not. Don't beat him too bad, baby. Just let him keep thinking he's the best. Because you know how to do. They don't come back no more when you get to beating too bad.
I know.
So that's what she told me. Just be calm and don't talk too much.
You've been talking enough.
Yeah, they think they run them away when I beat them like that and talk jump too.
No. Ain't nobody running away. I can't run away from what I've been seeing.
Okay, I hear you. You're already running away.
I'm running away. I'm a busy man. I got things to do.
I hear you. We all do. Shoot, you don't think you have anything to do?
I think you got plenty to do.
I got plenty to do. I take care of Lemon. That makes it all right.
I know. You got plenty to do. I ain't running away. Damn, man, what kind of throw is that? Oh,
you should have had a fish by now.
Oh, that throw is no good. Oh, that throw ain't gonna catch me no fish today. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Now I'm back in the water, see? You know what I'm saying? You could have had your fish by now. Now it doesn't go out a lot better than what it did a while ago. Getting hung up and twisting around walk car, so it made it hard to set the cast right. But now you're ready. That's the thing about knowing about fishing. You gotta know what to look for. Look at that.
Not to throw, that's what it is. Oh, shit. What did I tell you about throwing? I said you're the master when it comes to throwing.
I hear you.
So when it comes to catching fish, it's a different story.
I hear you. Watch this right there. Watch this. Watch this.
And see, my tricks ain't working out for me.
You ain't got none.
Got plenty of tricks now.
Can't work for you when you don't got it.
Better you'll be lucky I don't bring my motherland tricks too. Yeah, bring my motherland tricks. Yeah. It's on like Donkey Kong.
Yes, sir. Your motherland trick when y'all just use the bottom throw up there in the water, right?
Ricky, you don't know motherland tricks, Ricky. Let me tell you, man.
Huh? Yeah, when you come here, you find out about fishing rods.
Ricky.
That's what you do at the motherland, right?
Ricky, we got everything over there.
Yeah, you get your damn milk jug.
We got Shimano, Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Ricky, we don't play in the
I know.
We don't play.
I know.
Motherland, we don't play, Ricky. We get it done.
Yeah, you do.
So You're lucky. I just don't want to employ motherland tricks on you, Ricky.
I know.
You know, if I put my motherland tricks out there, it ain't gonna be good. It ain't gonna be good, Ricky.
I got you. Motherland trick. Tell Motherland I'm happy for you.
Huh?
Tell Motherland I'm happy for you.
Say it ain't gonna be what? It ain't gonna be good, Ricky. It ain't gonna be good. Because once I employ the motherland tricks, it's on like Donkey Kong.